Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from Simmons Essentials. Here's another original design for you. This is the winged cylinder knot. So let's go ahead and get started. My left side, it's at the belt line. We're going to come over here. We're going to put in a dimple. We're going to bring the skinny end over the top. We're going to come down and around like this. We're just going to do a cylinder. And we're going to go ahead and go around a few times. Depends on your tie. I'm going to go around one more time. Tighten that up. I'm going to fold this in half over here, and then I'm just going to take this top loop and open it up and bring this over like this. Fold it in half like that. Have it facing like this, and then this is going to slide down. That's the way it's supposed to be. So then you get loops. You'll get it to have that loop look over here. You have it like that, then you just push to the side. Then you'll have that. And then what you'll have is we'll go through this top loop here and we'll fold this in half like this. These right here are the wings. So then I'm going to come with that going straight up there like that. You can see it right there. I'm going to then bring this around like this and then just going to come up and over. Let me bring it down for you. Put the collar down. So now what we're going to do is we're going to just now open up these. Put your finger in there, open up those right there. Boom, there you have it. The wings to the cylinder. So again, own your own style, my friends. You're fearfully wonderfully made. Check out the picture of this on my Instagram, Simmons Essentials. See you in the next video.